go. Goodbye, Libby. Good morning. Good morning. You ready to go to Idaho? I am. What's up, YouTube?
How's it going, everybody?
I'm Kirsten,
I'm great.
and we're back with another video.
Yep, in our new truck.
Period. And today we are going to Idaho.
Oh.
No, you don't. No, we're going to Idaho, and we're going to pick up our trailer so we can move in that bitch. Well, move in it. Let me correct my language. But yeah, so we're going to Idaho. We're going to get the money right now, and then we're going to eat, check the tires, get gas, and we'll be on our way. And you guys, of course, are coming with us. So,
Yes, sir.
further ado, or wait,
Without further ado.
without further ado, go to the next clip. Yeah.
You better put this.
Yeah. You chill out.
You pull up.
Babe just wanted to go see his buddy in the bank.
No,
Yeah,
you gotta go.
All this money
With the McDonald's Trump burger.
leaving our hands. We are in the drive-thru of McDonald's, and baby is getting chicken nuggets.
Dude, they have a machine.
Oh yeah. I started speeding. Okay guys, so we just passed Bonner's Ferry. We just got out of there, and we are headed to where? Cordia Lane?
I think so.
And I'm getting my Wingstop, bitches! Wingstop, Wingstop, Wingstop! I haven't had Wingstop in forever. So, we're gonna get that in Cordia Lane, if I said that right. Coeur d'Alene. And yeah, so GPS says that we should be there at 4 o'clock. So, we're gonna be there at 4 o'clock. And we will update you guys once we get to Wingstop. Because why the fuck not? So, yeah. Today is gonna be the day that we blow it all the... Oh shit, but... Back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way... Should you? I forgot where it was. In time. You fucked me up.
Yeah.
Coeur d'Alene. We're going to get my Wingstop, guys. And Babe's killing me on this road trip. Yes, I do. But I'm taking this video because they need to know what we're doing. So we're going to Wingstop. And yeah, we have like an hour left. So we'll be there around like 4. So.
Well, hurry up. It said 6 miles, and I don't know how far 6 miles is.
Yeah, well, I got to help Babe with directions. So goodbye.
This Walmart be like the Coeur d'Alene Walmart. Hello, what is your caramel price for this and this and that? And I don't even know if they have caramel because it's Walmart. Remember?
That's the fastest I've ever heard you speak.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, y'all, so we are in Coeur d'Alene and Mama got her Wingstop, as you saw. That shit's gone now. Well, I saved Babe 6 pieces because I'm nice like that. But I ate the fuck out of those fries. But so we had a little bit of difficulties with the hitch piece for the trailer part. So we ended up having to take out the money from what we're giving the person to buy a trailer piece or a trailer hitch piece, whatever. And it was like $1,050. So, well, plus tax, because Idaho has tax, so it was like $1,100. So, but we got that piece. They said it was okay, thank God, because we really need this camper. And now we're on our way to
Crazy rainstorm.
Yeah, in a crazy rainstorm.
Where I'm gonna have to roll around in the mud and hook up this hitch and all that crap in the rain while Babe sits in the truck like, ah.
I have to watch the babies, okay? Again, I gotta watch the babies, but we're almost there. I think we have like an hour left to go.
Yeah, 49 minutes.
Yeah. So we're almost there, and we got the trailer hitch piece, and Babe's cracked out on rock stars, so he'll be fine, you know, he'll be fine. But yeah, so basically when we get there, we'll have to bolt down the trailer hitch, and I'll have Babe record that because he's doing it in the dark, most likely.
Where we're gonna be at.
Hopefully not, but it might. So be prepared. So, but yeah, but on the way back, we are thinking about going to Texas Roadhouse.
Maybe.
If we can. Don't hold me to that.
Probably shouldn't spend money.
Yeah, I know, but Babe's never had Texas Roadhouse, and I want to take it. I should have worn a jacket.
I'm wearing a shirt with a fucking vest.
I didn't wear a jacket. Baby doesn't have a fucking jacket. The only one who has a blanket is baby girl. She's the only one that's like warm. But that's all that matters. I mean, that matters, you know? Because she's only 6 months and baby boy is almost 2. So
Heat again.
yeah. So
Keeps fogging up.
but we are about to end up in Kellogg, and then we're gonna go past Kellogg and go to Milan, Idaho, and hopefully all works out and we can get this done and go home. So yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Yeah, it's boring.
You know what I mean? Just come.
That is fucking perfect. Is he pooping? Oh my gosh, I think he's pooping on the window. Hey y'all, so we are getting our camper right now, and we have to bolt down the trailer hitch. So Babe and him are in the back doing that, and I am in the car watching the babies. But so you can see,
Now we're gonna have to drive home in this shitty fucking weather.
it's okay.
I'm sure once we get a little ways down the mountain, it'll start melting.
Yeah, say hey YouTube.
This is a pain in the ass.
I bet it is. I can see it right here.
Country boys, not just one.
Period. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we're getting our camper. Y'all, look how big these snowflakes are. That is insane. Here's Babe. Coming back.
Yeah, we're not going the other way.
Why?
She showed me a picture. The highway that goes that way?
That we came from?
No. The highway we came from is raining. The highway that way where we wanted to go is covered in snow.
Really?
Piles of it. We need to run away from the storm, not towards it.
Okay, so we have to go back through Coeur d'Alene.
We're going to have to go back through Coeur d'Alene because it's raining. It goes down in elevation. That way it goes up the mountains.
Okay,
further.
no. So we have to go the
You
other
see
way.
how big these snowflakes
They're
are?
fucking huge, I know. I'm like, fuck, bro. Like,
So we're going to have to be careful, and we need to try and beat the storm that way.
yeah, and we didn't bring no jackets, which sucks.
I was going to buy us some in there. $62 for 2 hoodies. I said, fuck you. No.
Really? They don't have any other jackets? Do they have
Dude,
like
but they're all expensive.
No, they don't have any cheap jackets?
No cheap ones. They're all touristy ones. So they're all expensive. As soon as this guy gets back here, I'm strapping this thing up and we're going to try and get the heck out
Well,
of here.
maybe when we... Well, I mean, we won't really need it when we...
The problem is the snow.
I know. And they're big-ass fucking snowflakes.
Like, it's going to pile up quick. So hopefully, like...
We
where's my
gotta
phone?
hurry up.
I need to check the weather.
We gotta hurry up, yo.
So, I'm in Mullen, fuck tons of snow until 1 in the morning. It looks like the storm is just getting here. But it's hitting Coeur d'Alene too, but I think it's just rain down there. We're just high in elevation right now.
Yeah.
Because we're just barely touching the fucking tippy tip of the...
Well, we're up the mountain, so you
So,
know.
Kalispell, it's just raining. Eureka, it's just raining. Snow tomorrow. And Libby, it's raining.
Why do they have to
And
snow
snow
to...
at 2 in the morning. So, if we go quick, we can beat the storm.
Okay, so we're gonna have to go
the
quick.
Coeur d'Alene way.
Okay, that's fine.
With to have any hope. Why now? At least we didn't come tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because it would be all snow.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to...
Earlier, what? Why did we take so long to leave? Oh yeah, my fucking job.
Yep.
If we would have got here, it was sunny.
I know.
It was sunny till an hour ago.
Yep.
And then on top of that, not having all the shit for this.
I know, we had to go buy it.
Gosh.
It's freezing outside.
Yeah, and I'm getting...
Y'all, so it is now 8 o'clock in Idaho, and they almost got the trailer on. They got the hitch on, so yeah, I'm in the car with the babies, and it's fucking, like, it's pouring snow right now, bro. Like, we can't even go the way that we were gonna go home because it's just full of snow. So yeah, we're gonna be driving in the dark, but as soon as baby gets in, we'll update you guys whenever we can, and we'll show you the inside of the trailer tomorrow and what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, right now it's just about trying to get home right now. And yeah, so Jesus bless us on our trip and let us make it home safe. And there's baby. You can't really see him. Y'all, so we had to get a motel, and we are at the motel.
One for you, one for me.
Oh, thank you. This is our room. We got the king size bed, and don't open that. I think that leads to the next room. No, it leads to the next room, I think. Babe, I told you. You just opened that fucking door, y'all. No, every motel has one.
So what? I'm just allowed to go into their room, but they can't come into my room? Because
They have a door too.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. You didn't see that door? There was a door.
That was the bathroom door.
Babe, that was a door.
Well, nonetheless, they're out of our room.
Is there anybody even in there?
No,
Oh, it got dark real quick. Where's the light?
Right there.
Okay. Y'all, these are bathrooms. Yeah. Uh-oh. Baby's going to try to find the toilet. Dude, this place has a freaking fridge up in here. That's insane. And you can use it. Usually places only have mini fridges. They even have cabinets.
There's a whole house.
You could literally live in this bitch. We're gonna literally buy a motel. But basically, so this is our room. And I know, this is our room. And yeah, it was too snowy. And we're gonna have Babe most likely go get us some food. And yeah, we're just chilling. I need to change baby boy because he is really wet. And I am looking for the fan or the heater. Oh yeah, that's that heat. So yeah, y'all, we're here for the night, and then tomorrow we're gonna start heading home. Yeah, it is.
We're in the hotel room. I don't know if her video's saved.
It should've.
We made it to the hotel. We're watching TV. Got some Panda Express. We got Panda Express. Pretty cool. Room.
Touching everything.
Yeah, he's being crazy. Got stuck in a snowstorm. It was pretty bad. So, took a break for the night. It's going pretty smooth. So, we're in our hotel room and we'll get with you guys in the morning. I don't know if they have breakfast or anything, but we're going to go to Dutch Bros in the morning. So, we'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Good night.
Oh, how was I already recording? So guys, we went to the motel and didn't get any sleep because Bubs wouldn't go to sleep. Baby girl did, but Bubs kept us up. So we just decided to get on the road and drive the rest of the 2 hours because I want to fucking go home. And Babe wants to go home, and we want to go sleep in our bed, and the baby's in their bed, so they're not waking us up. And yeah, it sucks we don't get to record our way home, but we will be posting the trailer and everything and showing you guys tomorrow. So
We're awake.
once we're awake and we're not so like dead, but yeah, so we're gonna do that. Good night. Big old mountain right there.
Crap. And I am going.
Oh, I'm recording.
Too bad. Okay.
The knives.
The knives.
There's no knives.
There's no knives.
What's up, YouTube? We're back, and this is the next day from our Idaho trip, and we were really tired. It felt like we were like jet lagged, so we didn't record anything yesterday, and we just slept basically.
We've been sleeping like this whole time.
Oh yeah, we had to get our Z's in.
Yeah.
So, did we update them about what happened at the motel?
We probably didn't update them about anything.
Okay, well, anyways, guys, so we are outside setting up the camper. I think last you guys saw we were in the motel, and that didn't work out because I got baby girl to go to sleep, but this little munchkin right here didn't want to go to sleep, so yeah, it didn't really work out. We were supposed to go get Dutch Bros in the morning after, so basically yesterday. We were supposed to do a lot
of stuff, but we ended up just driving all the way here through a giant snowstorm at
3 o'clock in the morning.
2 or 3 in the morning, and then we didn't get home till like 7.
Yeah. Which I have some videos about that, but we couldn't really get a lot because it was really dark. So, but yeah, basically, it didn't work out. Baby boy wouldn't go to sleep, so I would have been up just literally all night, and that's not what I wanted to do. So we ended up just coming home and drove through a massive snowstorm. But good thing we were behind a plow, so that was great. But so, since we didn't update, we are gonna update you guys tonight. We are
Bubs behind the tree.
Oh, okay.
Bubs, come
so
here.
We're gonna update you guys tonight or today and show you the camper and show you everything that happened and show you the whole inside of the camper since we didn't really get to show you. It was hectic too, trying to put everything together too to get the camper out of there because we were literally like in a mountain. You know what I'm saying?
Snowstorm too.
And a snowstorm in a mountain.
Like, snowflakes were like this big.
Yeah, they were huge.
Falling out of the sky.
And they were really freaking cold. Those snowflakes were like butt fuck cold. But yeah, so we had to be really fast and quick about it. So we're here today to show you guys everything, and yeah, the camper's really nice. We're really happy with it. Yeah. And we got a good deal on it, so
come here now.
Go to the next clip for the trailer viewing. Yeah, we do.
Generator running with this thing. See if it.
So, this is it. That's the room. Big ass bathroom, guys. Big ass bathroom. And then we have, if I can open it, we have a big old closet right here. So that's cool, room for baby stuff. I honestly really like this camper. This is our room. It's not very tall, as you can see, but it's very spacious, and we gotta clean in, do all the things, and we have like blackout covers for the windows. There's a mirror right there, so that's pretty cool. I mean, our bed's just gonna be literally on the floor, and then we'll have to figure out somewhere in here to put Babe's gaming stuff. So if we put the bed across right here, then maybe we can put his gaming stuff like right here. But and there's a plug right there, so that would be perfect. So yeah, that we can fit the dresser that's in Baby's room right here, so you could put your gaming stuff right there. So,
you know, there's a whole ass bag of cat food and cat litter here too.
Oh, is there? Yeah. That's perfect. And then we could put something on this door too to like keep Bubs out of it. Well, I doubt he's gonna be coming in here anyways because there's a step. And we gotta make sure that the slide out comes out good. But I'm pretty sure.
So this does have a gas mode.
Babe.
I'm not sure if it works.
I'm pretty sure if you lift this,
oh, that's nice. You can't get in this fridge.
Yeah.
There's a fucking latch button.
Good.
You literally can't open that no matter how hard you
Baby
try.
girl's like, what is going on in
You
here?
have to press the button in and then open it.
Oh, you got the tape measure? He's gonna be my construction man. He got the tape measure.
Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah, there's storage behind the couch here.
Ah! I love the mirror. Babe, no, come here.
No.
We love it. Okay, so look over here.
I can't see. I can't. Oh yeah, check this out. Storage underneath the stairs.
Oh, what? Guys, there's storage underneath the stairs, which is awesome. So I was thinking.
Oh, but that fucking sinks. That's okay. We'll just.
Okay, so I was thinking, you see this? You could pick this up, and that dresser that we have in the room, you could even make that higher. And the dresser that we have in the room can go right here, and you can put your gaming stuff right here, and then maybe we can like put something down right here to where we can put the TV right here in front of the window.
That dresser in the room would be too tall.
Right here?
Something underneath that. Ow.
Oh yeah, that definitely needs a cleaning.
I think.